Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're already in Open Netflix, pick your profile, and start the title you want. Once the video begins, move the cursor or tap the screen to reveal the playback controls. Make sure you can see the speech bubble or dialogue icon labeled Audio and Subtitles. That's where Netflix stores subtitle choices. If you don't see it, pause the video and wait a second. Controls sometimes hide quickly. Now press that icon to open the subtitle and audio options so you can change them. Once the Audio and Subtitles panel is open, scan the list for subtitle languages and the option labeled Off or None. Pick that to remove captions. On browsers, you may see English CC versus Off. Choose Off. On mobile apps, tap the language, then the Off option. On smart TVs, use directional keys to highlight Off and press OK. After selecting Off, close the menu and resume playback. You'll notice subtitles disappear right away because Netflix applies the setting instantly. If subtitles remain after selecting Off, stop the video and start it again. This often clears a stuck caption track. Make sure your device's accessibility captioning isn't forcing subtitles system-wide. Disable system captions in device settings if needed. If problems continue, sign out of Netflix and sign back in or update the Netflix app to the latest version. As a final step, reboot the device. These actions resolve most issues because they refresh app state and ensure the chosen subtitle preference is applied.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.